मुख्य श्लोक सुनी सेरूप गोसाई সেই শ্লোকের অর্থ শ্লোক করিলা তথায়. At that time when Rupa Goswami heard this verse, at once he wrote his parallel verse. Then Rupa Goswami wrote this verse, then wrote in Talpatra, palm leaves. आपन बासार चाले राखी लग्जिया. Then Rupa Goswami wrote this verse, keep on the heart. Haridas Thakur house in the heart, then keep there. Slok rakhi gela samudra snan karite. Then he went to take bath, he went to judge ocean and bathing there. After then, Rupa Goswami came to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Haridas Thakur, Sri Rup Sanatan, Jagannath Mandiri, Najantinjan. At that time, Haridas Thakur, Rupa Goswami, Sanatan Goswami, they are not going to Jagannath temple. Always they are staying in Haridas Thakur ashram. Mahaprabhu Jagannathi Upal Bhog Dekhiya Nija Grihe Jane Tinere Meliya. So Mahaprabhu Jagannath Upal Bhog, Mahaprabhu saying to Jagannath Upal Bhog. After that, Mahaprabhu going to Haridas Thakur Bhajan Kuti. That time he meet with them. Haridas Thakur, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami. এই তিন মধ্যে যবে থাকে যেই জন তারে আসি আপনে মিলে প্রভুর নিয়ম. There are three persons, but sometimes one person, two persons, who is there, so Mahaprabhu every day coming and going. दैव्य आशी प्रभु जबे ऊर्ध्वते चाहिलो चाले पूजा ताल पत्र से श्लोक पाइलो. Then one day Mahaprabhu came, Haridas Thakur ashram, sit there. That time he had seen, on the roof, have one palm leaf, they are writing one verse. श्लोक पढ़ी आथी प्रभु आविष्ट भैया, रूप गोसाई आसी पढ़े दंडवत भैया. At that time Mahaprabhu was very happy. Then he wrote and he read this verse. Then towards absurd mood, Mahaprabhu quietly peaceful, quiet. After then Rupa Goswami came, offer pranam to Mahaprabhu. Koti Mahaprabhu tare chapado Maria kahite lagila kichu bolete pariya. Then Mahaprabhu at once stand up and slap to Rupa Goswami. After that, Mahaprabhu took him on his lap, spoke him. More শ্লোকের অভিপ্রায় না জানে কোন জানে. Anyone can understand what is my desire, what is my mood. So, how can understand you? এত বলি তারে বহু প্রসাদ করিয়া স্বরূপ গোসাইয়ের শ্লোক দেখাইল লইয়া. In this way, Mahaprabhu was very happy, pleased to hear. After that, Mahaprabhu showed to Sarudamdar this verse. स्वरूपे पूछें प्रभु हैया विस्मृति. Then Mahaprabhu, very surprised, asked to Sarup Damodar, Mor Manir Katha, Rup Janila Kemuti. So, what is my mind? So, how can I understand Rup? Sarup kahi jate janilo tumhar mon, tate jani hoy tumhar kriparo bhajan. Must be your mercy. In this way he knows everything. प्रभु कही तारी आमी संतुष्ट भैया आलिंगन कइलु सर्वशक्ति संचारिया. Mahaprabhu told, so I am very happy. I embrace to him. I give all power, all inspirations. Yukho patra गुड़ रस विवेचने तुमियो कहियो तारे गुड़ रस खाने. He is qualified. And he is speaking good ras very deeply. Ras tattva he knows. So you can speak to him. ये सब कहिबो आगे विस्तार करिया संक्षेपे उद्देश्य कहिला प्रस्ताव पाइया. So I am speaking again. At that time I manifest so many things. Everything I can speak. Now I am speaking only code words. Priya Soyam Krishna Sahachari Kurukshetram Milita Tathaham Saradha Tadidam Ovayu Sangama Sukham Tatha Panta Khelan मधुर मुरली पंचमजुषे मनोमि कालिंदी पुलिन विपिनाय स्पृहयति. हे सहचरी, so Sri Krishna, I love so much to Sri Krishna. Today he is coming in Kurukshetra. He is Krishna, I am Radha. Then we are meeting together, become happiness, but not. But my mind always going to Vrindavan. We want to meet in Vrindavan, not here. No happiness, no good. In Vrindavan, playing in flute, they are cuckoo birds, all other birds singing so nicely. In this way, my mind always going. এই শ্লোকের পঞ্চসংখ্যে পার্থ শুনো ভক্তগণ, জগন্নাথ দেখি জইছে প্রভুর ভাব. এ devotee, my dear devotee, please listen. So I am speaking something. Sri Radhika Kurukshetri Krishna Darshan Yadyapi Payan Tabu Bhave Navaichan. When Radharani came to Kurukshetra, then he found to Sri Krishna took darshan. That time Radharani thinking, Tajviz Hathi Ghoda Manusya Gahan Kaha Gopaviz Kaha Nirjan Vrindavan. Here Sri Krishna's king dress, so many elephants, so many horses, and big crowd. In Brajabhumi, they are Sri Krishna Gopavis, goat dress, Nirjan Vrindavan, very rare place in Vrindavan. Say Bhav, say Krishna, say Vrindavan, Jave Pai Tave Hai Vanchita Pura. So Brajavasi mood, Brajavasi Bhav, Vrindavan mood. When we found them, we become happy. Avasati Nalina Bhapadara Vindam Yugeshare Hiri Vichinta Magata Bodhi Sansara Kupapatitu Taranam Balambam Geyam Jusam Api Manasudiyat Sada. तुम्हार चरण मूल ब्रजपुर घरे उदय करे यदि तभी वंशा पूरी. Radharani told, "Oh my dear Krishna, if you are coming to Brajabhumi and you give your lotus feet in Brajapuri, then fulfill my desire. I never satisfied here." भागवते श्लोकार्थ पर विचार करिया रूप गोस्वामी श्लोक पहिल लोक बुझाइया. In this way, Rupa Goswami wrote from Bhagavata this verse saying, we are not happy. We are happy when you come to Vrindavan, living in Vrindavan, when we are playing in Vrindavan. In this way, we become happy. Edo Mahaprabhu dekhi Jagannathe, Subhadra Sahita dekhi Bangsi nahi hate. So Mahaprabhu watching to Jagannath and he is living with Subhadra. But that time he had no proof. Tribhanga Sundar Braje Brajendra Nandan Tapavohi Vancha Pari Anukham. Mahaprabhu always praying, oh, Sri Krishna is Brajendra Nandan Tribhanga Lali. Where will found? Where will go? Radhika Vanumad Jaiche Uddhava Darshani Udgurna Pralap Jaiche Prabhu Ratri Dini. Mahaprabhu always day and night Radhika's mood. When Radharani, when Uddhav came to Vrindavan, at that time Radhika's deep separation's mood. Same way Mahaprabhu's mood. So Mahaprabhu day and night always separate. Dadas Vatsar says Vaichyagwaila, Eivata says Lila Vidhana Karila. 12 years in this way passed. This is Shesh Lila Antara. After that, Mahaprabhu, how is doing? So speaking again. Now stop. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari.